This is the unboxing of 55 linear feet of Thinsulate SM600L insulation. This was purchased from Van Life Outfitters, and it came in this box, and this box weighs between 40 and 45 pounds. And you can see that it's obviously puffed up a bit. It's about 2 feet tall, and it's on the order of 25, 26 inches, 27 inches, something like that. Obviously, it's very, very full. I'm pretty sure that the black that we can see right here is actually the back of the insulation itself. So it looks like they actually used tape and they stuck it to the back of the insulation, which is kind of annoying. But that's the way they did it anyway. So let's go ahead and open it. And it is obviously taped really well. Okay, so that's actually not what I thought. It's actually wrapped in the interior plastic, so that's not going to be a problem. Yeah, so we're going to be okay with that. Van Life Outfitters says that they actually send it in lengths of 10 to 15 feet. And basically it's 10 to 15 feet long and it's 5 feet tall. And so we should have 55 feet long and 5 feet tall on the insulation. Now the insulation supposedly comes compressed quite a bit, and it will expand out to where it's about 1 2/3 inches thick. So they have a couple of advertisements for their Peace Loving vans. It's coming up in March of next year. And then, yeah, here they tell you to actually let the Thinsulate expand out. And they talk about how they actually receive it. So they receive it in big old huge long rolls. So let's see what we've got in here. Okay, so we've got one piece of it that is vacuum packed. And it looks like it's got a little thing there where we can probably release the vacuum pack on it. And there's another one. And I don't see any obvious indication of how much is on each one of these. We have 2, 3, 4, and this one is bigger. And so this is going to be the 5th one, and it's quite a bit thicker. That's basically what we got for that, and we will go ahead and open one of these. So these are some sort of vacuum pack that they have, just the standard, what do they call that?
Zipper lock.
Yeah, a Ziploc type thing here. And then
looks like those reusable bags you get on Amazon.
Yeah, this actually opens and closes.
So you could probably reuse it for something different.
Yeah, we might be able to reuse them. So I'm going to open that.
Well, that shouldn't do anything. That's to suck the air out.
Yeah, well, that's cool.
Yeah.
So if we can get an attachment for that, then we'll be good on that.
It might work with the pump that we
it might.
bought with the ones that were
open
messed
that,
up.
boom. So it opens, and luckily it didn't fling open and kill everyone. Nice thing about Thinsulate is that it's not wool, so you don't have to worry about it being real itchy. But basically that's what it is. And
so this is the same Thinsulate that's in coats and stuff?
Yeah, this is the same stuff. It might be it might not be 600 whatever, but yeah, basically this is a Thinsulate. And so that's the unboxing of it, and this will go in the van. So if you're not subscribed, click and subscribe, and you can watch all of it going in. Thank you.